Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to you to talk to you about a new website and how to create accounts on it and how to use it. It's called WarriorPlus. So first let me give you a short idea about it. The WarriorPlus is an online marketplace for buying and selling digital products in the internet marketing and online business. So now to get started with WarriorPlus, simply head on over to WarriorPlus.com. Let's enter. So this is the interface of the site. Here we find the free sign up, login. That means if you already have an account on it. Some features we will talk on them later. And we have home. This is on home in this website. Here we have sales automation, thousands of affiliates, top-notch product, and powerful tracking. So here, time is money, so we provide all the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver your products instantly to customers worldwide. If you want to know any one of these, you just learn more here. This is the website. So we will come back on it later. Now let's sign up or create accounts. We sign up. To create an account, they ask us for username, password, and email address. So let me enter my username. And the password. And my email address. So that's it. You click on I'm not a robot. And they click on create account. If you already have an account, you will just sign up here. Now create an account. Okay, we cannot make a space here. Okay. Now let's create account. Let's see. So the step 1, your WarriorPlus account has been created. A message is now being sent to your email address.
You've just successfully created your account. However, there's one more step that you must take before you can actually access the back office. Whether you're wanting to become a vendor, an affiliate, or actually purchase one of our amazing products from our marketplace. What you need to do is go ahead and confirm your email address. So go ahead and log into the email provider with the email you just signed up with and confirm and verify your email. And what this will do is ensure you get all important updates pertaining to your account, your information, your experience here at WarriorPlus, and everything you need to know, you'll be kept up to date with.
In order to use the WarriorPlus system,
we also suggest you make sure you mark our email address so you always receive all of our notifications and emails to your inbox, and as well possibly add us to your contact list. Now, if you already know how to do this, go ahead and go to your email provider, log into your email provider, and verify the email you just received. If you don't, I'll walk you through right now exactly how to go into your email provider, verify the email you signed up with, and walk you through how to add us to your contacts.
Username or email address.
Thank you again for becoming a WarriorPlus member. We appreciate you so much. Keep watching if you want me to show you exactly how to verify your email you just signed up with. So right now I am in my email back office. So whatever email you use to sign up to WarriorPlus. For example, I just used my Gmail, so I'm going to my Gmail account. Of course, if you signed up with Yahoo, go to your Yahoo account, your Yahoo email provider. If you sign up with Outlook, get your account and verify your account through the email that you signed up with. Have a great day, and we will see you on the inside of WarriorPlus very soon.
So, welcome to WarriorPlus. Thanks for creating your free WarriorPlus account. We are glad you have joined us.
Congratulations, my friend. You are now a verified WarriorPlus member, and you have the ability to become a vendor with us, become an affiliate, or purchase any of the products that we have that are absolutely amazing that are in our marketplace. We are absolutely ecstatic and happy you are here, and we want you to have the absolutely best experience working with WarriorPlus. Right now, what I'd like to do is walk you through a few important parts of your back office, and then from there, you're free to explore your back office and use WarriorPlus however you desire. Thanks for becoming a member with us, and we appreciate you so much. Now that you are a WarriorPlus member, you have full access to everything that we offer you here.
So this is here all the information about what you want to sell. What you see here, we choose I want to sell my own products as vendor, so they show you how to do that, all the steps, and here are a few articles that will help you to get up and running fast. Okay, this is really gonna help you. So let's come back. So this is our page on the WarriorPlus. The top products in today, you'll find it just here. Yesterday, or last 7 days, and last 13 days. Okay, and the notification, you will just find it here on the WarriorPlus. You will find all the notification in this website. Like you see here, this is the parameter of our account on WarriorPlus. Here you'll find the Marketplace home, top products. Let's choose this one to see what's in it. We have categories, alerts, deals of the day. We have vendor, like you see here, the offers, the products, shared products, customers. We have here affiliates. And by the way, the digital products in Marketplace here, it services as a marketplace where vendor can list and sell their digital products such as software tools, courses, ebooks, and more. And it also produces you affiliate marketing platform that provides an affiliate marketing platform where marketers can sign up as affiliates to promote product lists on the platform and earn commission for successful sales. And about the product launch platform, the vendors can use WarriorPlus as a platform to launch their digital products and attract affiliates to promote their offering during products launch. So this is all what you need on this website. Now let me show you how to log out. You go over here to the account and click here and wait for a moment. So this is how to create an account and get out from it. If the video like it, please share out and subscribe for more. So bye bye to the next video and next websites.